An Espanola woman who worked for the fire department is alleging the current fire chief assaulted her before he was promoted to the top job. And as Target 7's John Cardinelli found out, one of the witnesses to the incident was later fired.
And he pulled out his knife, his pocket knife, and opened it up. And at that point, I just couldn't believe what was happening.
Janine Bustos has been an administrative assistant with the city of Espanola for the past 14 years, helping out the fire and police department. This video was taken while she was at work, captured on a security camera at the Espanola Fire Department.
Every day I cringe and having to go there, with, being afraid.
Bustos never felt afraid of going to work, but what she says happened to her on March 24th, 2020 has changed her psychologically. That's why she says she filed this workers' compensation case in March of 2021. It claims then Deputy Espanola Fire Chief Ron Padilla pulled out what Bustos said was a pocket knife and yelled at her. Target 7 obtained this surveillance video through her lawyers. According to the workers' comp complaint, Bustos says Padilla pushed her into a metal structure. The city has denied her allegations.
And did you report this incident to the city of Espanola?
I did.
According to this workers' comp claim, Bustos says she spoke with a woman at City Human Resources about the incident, but was never provided with the official paperwork to report it. Later, Padilla was promoted to fire chief. The city claims in its legal response to the workman's comp case, Bustos turned down an opportunity to give a written statement to their HR department.
I mean, he assaulted me and battered me and nothing happened.
Eric Tafoya was a deputy fire chief in Espanola. He had been a firefighter for 14 years, but doesn't work there anymore.
And at what point does he take out the knife? It's sort of unclear to me.
Let's see. I think he pulled it out right there.
Okay.
Just while she was looking at him.
He says he witnessed Padilla pull a knife out on Bustos. He is seen here on the video.
When he pulled out the knife, I truly didn't know what to say. I didn't even know what to do. So I just kind of stood there, and then I walked away.
Less than a year after the incident, Tafoya says he was terminated on sexual harassment allegations. He did appeal his termination to the city's grievance board, and they ruled in his favor. He filed suit for wrongful termination, but a district court judge ruled last week that the city had sufficient grounds for terminating Tafoya's employment. His attorney tells us he believes his client was fired because he witnessed what we now see on this video. However, that argument was never made.
That was one of the ones that he suspected, but you don't have the direct evidence on it, but I don't think there was any doubt that it was connected.
We sent emails to Padilla and the city. In an email response, Padilla told us he does not comment on pending litigation and referred us to the recent district court ruling. Target 7 did obtain this response from court records. In it, the HR director for the city states that she and Bustos watched the video together, and it was unclear what was in Padilla's hand. The HR director counseled Chief Padilla regarding what was depicted in the video and appropriate behavior as he transitioned to a leadership role within the fire department and to be cognizant of his physical strength. Tafoya is no longer employed with the fire department and has moved on. Bustos now works for Espanola Police. She says she wants her day in court.
I didn't do it to myself, he did it to me. And the evidence is there, and for anyone to say that it didn't is just, I can't understand that. And he needs to be held accountable like anybody else would.
For Target 7, I'm John Cardinelli.
Criminal charges were never filed against Padilla. We asked Bustos if she reported the incident to police. She said she did not because she was worried about retaliation. As for her workman's comp case, it is still pending.